Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Blakely from CJ Class. Today we're going to talk about crime scenes, evidence, and forensics. A criminal investigation is a systematic approach to, first of all, establishment of a criminal violation. Okay, do we have a crime there? Also, identification and arrest of a suspect. Okay, we know that if we're investigating a felony, we definitely going to have an arrest in the end. Also, gather of evidence for presentation in a court of law. Very important, because evidence is going to make or break your case. The ultimate goal of any criminal investigation is the successful prosecution of the guilty and the exoneration of the innocent. We just don't go out looking for people to arrest and put away in jail. But if we find that they're not guilty, they're free to go. The initial survey should consist of securing a scene and noting immediately visible evidence and denying the entry to the scene until properly relieved and calling for needed resources. Okay, it's very important to not put the crime scene in a situation where it can be contaminated. So that's very important that we document who goes in and out the crime scene, as well as protect the crime scene. A crime scene search is a systematic, coordinated effort conducted in order to, first of all, locate physical evidence that indicates a crime has taken place, and also identify individuals who may have committed the crime. The chain of custody is the written, witnessed, unbroken record of all individuals who maintain control or had access to any physical evidence. A complete and accurate chain of custody record is absolutely essential in the establishment and the validity and integrity of evidence in court. So it's very important, folks, that we document who handles the evidence at the crime scene. Now, the chain of custody begins when an item is first collected as evidence. From this time, supplying complete, clear, concise information and using appropriate documentation techniques that will aid in keeping the chain of custody intact. So pay strictly attention to this, folks, because you're going to see this later. Although the format of the property forms may vary, each will require specific information, including the report number, which is very important. Also, who initially found the item. Also, where and when the item was found, and also a description of the item. Very important, folks, in preservation. Okay, who recovered, packaged, and labeled the item. Normally your crime scene and technicians will be involved in that. Who transported the item, where it was submitted, also where, how, and when the item was secured. Any questions, folks? Okay, if you don't have any questions, I have one. And what is the chain of custody of evidence? This will be due on Wednesday and midnight. So the question is, what is the chain of custody? If there's no other questions, there's an opportunity serving you folks, and have a great day.